Lillian, come over here. Vacuum over here. Come, clean over this side. Lillian, come here. Hey, Lillian, come over here. Lily. What kind of vacuum was that, huh? Say, come over here, vacuum my side. Your vacuum is dying. Your vacuum is dying, Lily. Need to be charged. Doesn't matter, you just use it until die? You just use it until die on you? Yes? Uh-huh. Look! Lily! Sing ABC. Lillian? Say A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Come on. Sing with mommy. Oh, your vacuum is dying. Dead. Yeah. Where are you going? Where are you going, baby girl? Come back here. You know your vacuum is heavy for you. Stuck. 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 I'm not helping. I'm not helping. Oh, you're so cute. All right. Lily. Do you want me to charge your vacuum? Do you want me to charge your vacuum? Yeah. You want me to charge it up so you can finish vacuuming the house? Huh? Dining room needs to be vacuumed. That's Lily? Hey, baby girl. What? I didn't. Hey! Bring it over here. Bring it to mommy. What? Lillian! Who said you're gonna pick up the camera?